Homemade, and today we're going to be making some barbecue thighs. For our barbecue thighs, we're going to need some olive oil, you're going to need some chili powder, some seasoned oil, or seasoned salt, as some people call it, some garlic, some onion powder, some black pepper, and some Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Now I have my chicken thighs here. We already been washed. They're just soaking in water or whatever. So when we come back, we're going to season up our chicken. We're going to get it thoroughly seasoned. So now we got our chicken in our pan, and we're just going to drizzle with a little olive oil. Not too much, just enough to coat. And we're gonna rub it in like so, because we want to crisp up that skin, that skin nice and crispy. You massage your chicken thighs, you know, just like you want your back rub. You know, just get in there, massage that chicken. Get in there, get on it. Yes, look at that chicken, all nice and lubricated for me. And we're going to sprinkle some onion powder all over it. We're going to rub that in as well. Get in there with our seasoning on. We're going to get all our seasoning. It's all in there. Just get it all on there. You know, you want to really season this chicken. Ooh, look at that, see? Alright. That's where you stop. When you see it just come out too much. Alright. I guess I was shaking a little too hard. We're going in with this garlic powder. Sprinkle that garlic powder all over it. And I'm coming in with some of that Tony. Yes, Tony. Get in there, Tony. All over. Don't want to hide it from you. I want you to see it. I want you to see it. Then we're going to come in with some chili seasoning. Not too much. Just enough. There we go. And get it in there. Rub it in. Nice. Coat that chicken. Get it from the bottom. Get all that good stuff in there. Look at that. Oh, coat it all over the chicken. You want to love all up on this chicken. Just love all up on the chicken. Show that chicken that love you want. Get that chicken that love you looking for. Love up on that chicken. Love up on it. There it is. Just like this. We're going to get it into a 390-degree oven for an hour. Once this crisps up and get all nice and done, then we're going to hit it with some barbecue sauce. This is going to be love in a pan. While this chicken cooking, I'm going to wash off of my seasoning bottle, because I did touch it with these gloves as I touched the chicken. But it's just fine. Alright guys, we'll be back. So look at the beautiful chicken out of the oven. Oh man, nice crispy skin. You can see it. Nice and crispy. Right, so now, this is how I like to eat my barbecue chicken. Might not be barbecue to you, but this is what I like. I don't like a whole bunch. I just like have it on there. And I like to let it crisp up. And I'm using Sweet Baby Ray's, guys. Now, I do have several recipes for like barbecue sauce or whatever. Just smear this on here. Just like this. And what I want to do is just really just coat the top. My dog sound like she got on high heel shoes, guys. She was running around. Even though I get her nails clipped, her all groomed, and she be all pretty, she still sound like she got high heel shoes on running across my hardwood floors. I don't know what's up with that. If y'all guys got like some sort of solution for that, y'all know anything, leave me a message in the comment section and let me know. That one just needs a little more BBQ sauce, like it had like patches in it. Alright, so we're gonna get this back in the oven and let it finish. Let it finish going. Alright, so I have my chicken thighs here. And I want to take this time out just before I stick my chicken thighs right back in the oven. Say all new subscribers, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've been here with me, oh, God bless you. Thank you for being here. And if you're new to this channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, so you'll be notified every time Shelly upload one of these delicious recipes for you guys. Alright, so I'm going to get this in the oven. I'll be back. Okay, guys, so these are my BBQ thighs. They're so gorgeous, absolutely beautiful. Look how they look. Absolutely amazing. So I'm going to plate these up, and I'm going to let y'all know exactly how this wonderful dish tastes. And I'll be right back. Alright guys, so we're back. And you can see this beautiful plate. So let's go in and get in there. Look at that. It's so juicy. I just want to pull back the skin just for a moment so you can see the juice in this chicken. Oh man. Look at this. Tell me, that's not a juicy chicken, babe. Oh man. I put a salad beside it. Oh, it's hot. Yeah. Oh baby. Season all the way through. Bad boy. Look at that. This is how you gonna want to eat your barbecue chicken, honey. This is one of my favorite ways to make it. But I love it. Okay, let's go in on the salad that y'all did not get to see me make. But it's got fruit, sunflower seeds, croutons, Parmesan cheese, ham, onion. Oh, it's an amazing salad, guys. Yes, and it has Caesar dressing on there. Sprinkle a little salt on it. Amazing salad, guys. All of these recipes I be making are a must try because they're absolutely delicious. Absolutely. Alright guys, so like, share, and subscribe. And as always guys, y'all have a wonderful day. I'm gonna see you in the next video.